To install WhalesBot Block Studio Pro, first visit the official website. Go to the Educators section under Resources and Downloads. Find and download the WhalesBot Block Studio Pro software according to your computer system. Once the download is complete, locate the installation package in your file folder and double-click to run it. Select your preferred language when prompted and click Next on the Welcome to AI module setup screen. Choose or change the installation destination folder as needed, then proceed with the installation. Before finished, you will be prompted to install a necessary driver. Please make sure to install it, or the software may not function properly. After the installation finishes, open the software for the first time by clicking the icon. Close the update notification that appears on launch. Go to Settings and check for any available updates to ensure the software is up to date. Now you are ready to go and start programming with WhalesBot. After opening the software as shown in the following figure, the code block library is on the left, the coding canvas is in the middle, and the corresponding text-based program is shown on the right. The right side section is folded by default. You can click the code icon in the top toolbar to select the program language you want to display. The program in this section cannot be changed manually. If you want to modify the C or Python program, you can switch to the corresponding code editor. The icons from left to right represent File, Save, Undo, Redo, Code, Download, Program Name, Motion Editor, USB Drive, Settings, Code Blocks, Coding Canvas, Text-based program, run online. File. You can create, open, or save a program. Save. You can save the current program. Undo and redo. Undo. Click to undo the most recent operation. Redo. Click to restore the previous operation, which is the opposite of undo. Code. The text-based program section shows the C or Python version of the program that you built in Scratch. After you click the code icon in the top toolbar, you can perform the following operations. To view the C version, select C code. To write or edit the C program, select Switch to C code editor. To view the Python version, select Python code. To write or edit the Python program, select Switch to Python code editor. Download. You can download the current program to the controller. Program name. You can change the program name. The name can contain only letters and digits. Motion editor. You can use this feature to switch servos, but in AI Module 5S Kit, we don't provide servo motors, so this feature will not be introduced. Open USB drive. Connect to controller to the computer and click the Open USB drive icon. Then you can see the files in the controller on your laptop or computer and perform operations on the files in the controller. Settings. After you click the Settings icon in the top toolbar, you can perform the following operations. To view current software version, select About. To select the controller type you are using, click Select Controller and then choose the specific type in the dialog box. To upgrade the firmware, select Firmware Update. To upgrade the AI Vision module, select AI Visual Module Upgrade. To check if there is an update on the software, select Software Update Detection. Code blocks. The code blocks can be classified into 8 types, including motion, light, speaker, sensor, loop, logic, math, variable, AI, and patrol line. This facilitates users' programming and use of the robot. Coding canvas. This is where users build their programs. You can drag and drop the required code blocks to this canvas and connect them vertically. If you no longer want to use a code block, click and drag them to the left side. When the trash icon appears, drag the code block to the icon and then drop. Online running, connect the controller and click the Run Online button. The controller will then execute the current program. Select controller type. After opening the software, the first step is to select the controller. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner, choose Select Controller, select the MC902 controller and click Confirm. This is the most important step. Selecting the wrong controller model will result in program download failure. Upgrade firmware. WhalesBot upgrades the controller when necessary. Please upgrade your controller firmware in a timely manner. After you connect the controller to your laptop or computer via a data cable, click the settings icon in the upper right corner and then select Firmware Update. If the system prompts that the current firmware is already the latest version, you don't need to upgrade the firmware. In this case, click Cancel in the message that appears. If a new version is prompted, click Start Update. After the upgrade is complete, click Confirm. Use code blocks. First, select the category of the code block in the left side and find the code block that you want to use under this category. Drag this code block to the coding canvas and put it right under the main code block. When a blue bar appears, it indicates that the code block is put in place and you can release your mouse button. You can click the parameter values in a code block to modify the parameters. You can run the program online or you can download the program to the controller and run the program offline.